Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a little green man alien from Toy Story. Let's start with head first. Draw a lips for the head. Draw a vertical and horizontal line to split the head structure. Draw a line at the bottom to mark the length for the body. Draw two curved lines for the body. Draw legs. Draw belt. Draw mouth. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw antenna on the head. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw logo. Detail the alien suit. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.